Hi viewers, today we are going to discussing about dipole moment. This is very useful for NEET students and main student and same as Olympiad students also. Very important topic. What is mean by dipole moment means polarity of any polar covalent bond or molecule is measured in terms of dipole moment. Polarity of any polar covalent bond or molecule is measured in terms of dipole moment. That means dipole moment is nothing but a measuring of polarity of a molecule. Measuring of polarity of a molecule. Measuring of polarity of a molecule is nothing but a dipole moment. The dipole moment is who is introduced means Pauling is introduced. Who is introduced? Pauling is introduced. It is denoted by the mu. Dipole moment, it is denoted by the mu. What is mean by mu means the product of positive or negative charge and the distance between the two atoms is called dipole moment. The product of positive or negative charge, that is Q. The product of positive charge or negative charge, that is the charge Q, into distance between the two atoms is called dipole moment. Mu is equal to Q into D. How to calculate dipole moment? We are using this formula. Mu is equal to Q into D. For example, hydrochloric acid HCl. This is the polar molecule. Polar molecule means one of the atom is electronegativity difference. One of the atom will get partially negative. One of atom will get partially positive. What is the movement of this particle? What is the polarity of this particle is nothing but a dipole moment. How to calculate means dipole moment? Mu is equal to Q into D. Here Q is nothing but a charge. D is nothing but a distance between the two atoms. Distance between the two atoms. The product of positive or negative charge into distance between the two atoms is called as dipole moment. Mu is equal to Q into D. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. Vector quantity, that is, it has both magnetic as well as magnitude as well as direction. Vector quantity means what is that? It has both magnitude as well as direction. Magnitude as well as direction. Okay, how to calculate means mu is equal to Q into D. What are the units of this dipole moment? Units are dB. Units are dB. 1 dB is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 18 ESU centimeters. ESU means electrostatic unit. ESU means electrostatic units, are in coulomb per meter. 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 29 coulomb per coulomb meter, not per coulomb meter. These are the units of the dipole moment. What is the dipole moment units is dB. 1 dB is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 18 ESU centimeters, or 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 20 coulomb meter. Coulomb meter. These are the units of the dipole moment. Next point, in the diatomic molecule, mu depends upon the difference of electronegative, that is increasing order of dipole moment in diatomic molecule. In diatomic molecule, example what is that? CO2, BeCl2, SO2, etc. These are the diatomic molecule. How to calculate the dipole moment? How to see? CO2. This is the structure of CO2. Carbon and oxygen. Oxygen will get more negative charge, means this will get delta nu. That means direction will be like this. This is the symbol for the dipole moment. Here also direction will be like this. according to vector quantity, opposite directions will be there, means these two will be cancelled. Yes, this is movement will be there, this side also movement will be there. When these two movements will be equal, means in the central atom there is no any movement, that means dipole moment mu is equal to 0. That means dipole moment mu is equal 0. Same like this, I take an SO2. SO2 is the bent structure or angular shape will be there. In SO2, oxygen is more electronegative than the sulfur. That means direction is like this. This is also direction is like this. If the direction is not a opposite direction, the both direction will be same side. When same side will be there, they having some dipole moment. Here dipole moment is not equal to 0. Dipole moment is not equal to 0. See, I will tell one example here. Listen. This is an one object. This is an one object. I can pulling here this side, means this object will be moving like this. Again same force of attraction I pulling like this, means the object will be moving? No. Yes, this object will be opposite direction. Here also pulling, here also will be so same force, means the object there is no any movement and all. There is no any movement. That means there is no any polarity of like this in molecule. Same this object only any one direction will be there like this, all direction. The movement will be there or not? That means they having some dipole movement like this. So direction will be same side will be there, they having some dipole movement. Opposite direction will be there, they having zero dipole movement. Zero dipole movement. Next one more example, BeCl2 also. Beryllium chloride. Beryllium chloride also same like this will be there. Beryllium is that less electronegative than the chlorine, means like this is the symbol. This is symbol for dipole moment. This is also symbol for dipole moment. Both are opposite direction will be there, means there is no movement. That means the dipole moment is 0. Dipole moment is 0. So next point. If there is no any electronegativity difference, dipole moment is 0. HS, there is no any electronegativity difference. Means both electronegativity same only. Fluorine F2, Cl2, Br2, O2. There is no any electronegativity difference, means the dipole moment is 0. Dipole moment is 0. Okay, must and should be they having some electron difference, electronegativity difference. Same like this, HF is there, HCl is there, HBr, HI. Here also electronegativity difference, here also electronegativity difference, here also electronegativity, here also difference. How to calculate dipole moment? We have that mu is equal to Q into D, charge into distance between the two atoms. Here more electronegativity will be there, means they having more dipole momentum. We can consider the here distance between the two atoms also. Here distance will be very small, here distance will be very high. So depending upon the average value, you can take HCl having more dipole moment than the HF, HBr, HI. Okay, generally is the more electronegativity element will be more, means they having highest dipole moment. Here we can consider the electronegativity and the distance between the two atoms also. In average value you can take HCl will take in the more value, and after that HF, HBr and HI. In some book also they can giving HF is the more dipole moment than the HCl, HBr, HCl, HBr, HI. Like this is giving. This is also correct, but in class 11th and 12th this is the correct. In lower classes is giving like this. So don't confuse here. Okay, in lower classes is the HF is having more dipole moment. In higher classes like this, they are depending upon the electronegativity and distance between the two atoms. This is for diatomic molecule for dipole moment. Next we can calculate the polyatomic molecules. Polyatomic molecules. Polyatomic molecules. Polyatomic molecules example PCl5, SF6, SF4, IF7, etc. etc. For PCl5, SF6 and IF7, they are in symmetrical. Symmetrical means dipole moment is 0. Regular geometry will be there, dipole moment is 0. All are in the same plane also, dipole moment is 0. For polyatomic molecule, symmetrical, regular structure or regular geometry or symmetrical structures, dipole moment is 0. Okay, in benzene, naphthalene, biphenyls have zero dipole moment due to planar structure. These are all benzene, naphthalene, biphenyl. These are all planar structure. Planar structure means they having zero dipole moment, and symmetrical structure also. PCl5, SF6, IF7. These three are the symmetrical structure. They all are in the one plane means that is dipole moment is 0. Benzene, naphthalene, biphenyls have also 0 dipole moment due to planar structure. Due to planar structure. Symmetrical will be there or not, that is called as non-polar also. Mu is equal to 0 means we are called as the non-polar. Non-polar and symmetrical. Non-polar and symmetrical. Okay, we are discussing about the more examples. BCl3, CCl4, SiCl4, CH4, CO2, CS2, SiH4. These and all will be symmetrical and all. Symmetrical means the dipole moment is 0. Dipole moment is 0. Dipole moment is 0. Next example, NH3 and NF3. In these two examples, which one is the more dipole moment? Means NH3 having more dipole moment than the NF3. I have to see what is the reason. NH is a pyramidal shape, hydrogen, 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 one lone pair. NF3 also same pyramidal shape, one lone pair, fluorine, fluorine, fluorine. Like this. Hydrogen and nitrogen. Nitrogen is the more electronegative means this is the direction like this. Here also direction like this. Here also direction like this. Here is the lone pair direction like this. Okay, but here the direction like this here starting. But here fluorine is the most electronegative than the nitrogen means like this will be there. Here see, when you observing this, all direction is the same. Same direction will be there means the atom will be having some movement. That means they having polarity. That means they are not equal to 0. Dipole moment is not equal to 0. But here this is also not equal to 0. But when compared to ammonia, NF3 having less dipole moment. What is the reason? Means here one this dipole moment direction is like this will be there. Here also like this opposite direction will be there means they having some less dipole moment when compared to the ammonia. NF3 having less dipole moment. Is the ammonia having is the dipole moment value is 1.47 dipole moment. As NF3 having 0.24 dipole moment. When compared to NH3, NF3 having is the less dipole moment. What is the reason? Means this is only here direction will be same side direction. Here is the opposite directions will be the same side direction means polarity will be more. So NH3 is more than the NF3. NH3 is more than the NF3. Next we have to see same like this. Water and H2O and H2O and H2S. One more example, H2O and H2S. Here which one having more dipole moment? Oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen. Here sulfur, hydrogen and hydrogen. Now oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen means like this will be there. Here also like this. Here also sulfur is there means like this will be there. Here also like this. both direction is the same. This is also same direction, this is also same direction, but oxygen is most electronegative atom, means H2O having more dipole moment than H2S. H2O having more dipole moment than H2S. Okay, here also same direction, here also same direction, but now you go through the electronegativity atom. Oxygen is highest electronegative than the sulfur. That means water molecule having more dipole moment than the H2S. Next point, angular structure of molecule have greater dipole moment. Angular structure of molecules having greater dipole moment. See here, CH3Cl, CH2Cl2, CHCl3, CCl4. In this 4 compound, which one having high dipole moment? I have to see. CH3Cl, I will write like this. CH2Cl2, here also I will write like this. CHCl3, CCl4, CCl4. See here in first diagram, carbon and chlorine. Chlorine is the highest electronegative element. That means direction is like this. Hydrogen and carbon like this. Carbon. The direction. Side is same side. All our direction is same side. When you see CCl4 like this, here like this, here like this, here like this. This is the opposite direction. That means CH3Cl having more dipole moment than the CCl4. Here also opposite direction will be there like this. Here also some direction. Here the remaining, these 3 are same direction, this is opposite direction. That means when movement will be opposite direction, means less dipole moment, is the same direction, means they having high dipole moment. That means CH3Cl having more dipole moment than the CH2Cl2 and CHCl3 and CCl4 Let's now go into discussing about the applications of dipole moment. Applications of dipole moment. Applications of dipole moment. First application number 1, to determine polarity and geometry of molecule. What is the first application? To determine polarity and geometry of molecule. To determine polarity and geometry of molecule. If dipole moment is 0, compound is non-polar and symmetrical. Compound is non-polar symmetrical. Compound is non-polar symmetrical. Example, CO2 is a symmetrical, BF3, CCl4, CH4, etc. Dipole moment is 0, compound is non-polar symmetrical. If dipole moment is not equal to 0, compound is polar and symmetrical. Compound is polar and symmetrical. Compound is polar and unsymmetrical. H2O, SO2, NH3, Cl2O, SF4, CHCl3, These are all unsymmetrical. Dipole moment is not equal to 0. Compound is polar and unsymmetrical. This is the first application. Second application, to calculate percentage of ionic character. 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 How to calculate means percentage of ionic character is equal to experimental value of dipole moment divided by theoretical value of dipole moment into 100. How to calculate percentage of ionic character? Experimental value of dipole moment divided by theoretical value of dipole moment into 100. This is the second application. Okay, for this you have to do an example. For that I will give one question for you. Calculate the dipole moment of HCl. Calculate the dipole moment of HCl. Bond distance 1.34 angstroms. Charge 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 ESU. Minus 10 ESU. And experimental value of dipole moment is equal to 1.03 D. Okay, calculate the percentage of ionic character. Calculate the dipole moment of HCl. How much? Already we know that we have to calculate this value under. Their experimental value is giving 1.03 and we have to find out theoretical value. How to find out theoretical value? The formula is mu is equal to Q into D. Charge is giving, how much is giving charge? 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10. Distance is 1.34 angstroms is giving. How to converting that 10 to the power of minus 8. You will get 6.4 into 10 to the power of minus 18 ESU centimeters. This is theoretical value, you got it. Percentage of ionic character is equal to, already experimental value how much is giving? 1.03 D divided by, here 6.4 into 10 to the power of minus 8 will get ESU centimeters. In dipole moment dB, here dB is that convert into ESU centimeters, so how will get 1.03 into 10 to the power of minus 18 divided by 6.4 into 10 to the power of minus 18. Get like this you will get a 16.09 percentage. Like this you have to calculate the percentage of ionic character. Next, third application, to distinguish cis form or transform. Third application, to distinguish cis form or transform. To distinguish cis form or transform. Cis and trans. What is mean by cis? Same side, atoms are present in the same side means we are called as cis, and opposite side means we are called as trans. For example, C double bond C, hydrogen, chlorine atoms, hydrogen, chlorine atom. Both hydrogen same side, both chlorine atom same side means we are called as cis. Here chlorine, hydrogen, hydrogen, chlorine. Opposite sides will be there means there in opposite side means we are called as trans. For this question, how will be distinguished and all you have to see. Here chlorine is the most electronegative element means like this. Here also chlorine like this. Here direction will be same side, but here direction will be opposite side. That means already opposite side direction will be there means dipole moment is equal 0. Here they having same side means the dipole moment they having not equal to 0. Cis form is not equal to 0. Transform is equal to 0. All transform not dipole moment is 0. Same type of electronegativity element and opposite direction will be there means dipole moment is 0. If we having opposite direction also, there is not having same type of electronegativity elements means they having some dipole moment. Let's we take one more example. C double bond C, CH3, H, chlorine. This is also transform opposite directions. But here methyl group is that they can donating electron to carbon. Here chlorine is the highest electronegativity. That means direction will be same, not a opposite direction. Direction will be same means here dipole moment is not equal to 0. This is also trans, this is also trans. But here dipole moment is 0. Why? What is the reason here? Same electronegative element is opposite directions will be there. But here say different electronegative elements, same direction will be there means is the mu is not equal to 0. This is the third application to distinguish cis form or transform. Next, fourth application. To locate position of substituents in aromatic compounds. To locate position of substituents in aromatic compounds. To locate position of substance in aromatic compounds. You can take example para-dichlorobenzene. Para-dichlorobenzene, meta-dichlorobenzene, ortho-dichlorobenzene. This is para-dichlorobenzene, meta-dichlorobenzene, ortho-dichlorobenzene. Which one having more dipole moment, which one having less dipole moment, I have to see here. Here chlorine is the highest electron, same direction is opposite direction. Here also like this. Here also like this. Here see here angle is 180 degrees. Here angle is 120. Here angle is 60. Here 60. Here 120. Here 180 degrees. Here both are opposite means according to vector quantity that will be cancelled means para isomer will get zero dipole moment. But these two and all they are not equal to 0. They having some dipole moment. Okay, as angle between the substituent decreases, value of mu is increases. Value of mu is increases. That means dipole moment is inversely proportional to the bond angle. Bond angle is less, highest dipole moment. Bond angle is more, less dipole moment. Here see bond angle is 180, is a 0 dipole moment. Here 120, 60. That means in meta and para, which one, meta and ortho, which one having highest dipole moment? Ortho having highest dipole moment. Take one more example. C triple bond N, C triple bond N. This is also opposite direction will be there. The dipole moment is equal to 0. One more example. OH, OH. This also look like a opposite direction. We are thinking is a mu is equal to 0, but this is not equal to 0. Why? Means here two OH groups are not in plane, not in plane. One have OH group like this, one OH group like this. Okay, direction will be same only. Direction will be same only. But two OH groups are not in plane. When not in plane means they are they having some dipole moment. That means mu not equal to 0. Mu not equal to 0. Like this you have to do. Mainly you have to remember in dipole moment mu is equal to q into d. Planar structure and symmetrical and non-polar compound is dipole moment is 0. Polar compounds and unsymmetrical mu not equal to 0. Is not in plane means they having mu not equal to 0. Okay. Next same like this angular structures of molecule having highest dipole moment. I hope you students understand this concept. Regarding this concept any doubt please comment, please like and share. Thank you.